welcome to One Stop Vegetarian. If you are new here, my name is Ekta and I post videos about vegan and vegetarian recipes every Tuesday and Friday of the week. If you are looking for vegan and vegetarian options in international cuisines, this channel is perfect for you. Do hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Today we are going to make a healthy sweet potato soup with coconut milk. This aromatic soup has a subtle sweetness from the curried sweet potatoes and a rich creamy texture from the coconut milk. So let's get started. All over your screen, do give this recipe a try and I am confident this soup is going to be your favorite soup during this winter. If you are this far in the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to One Stop Vegetarian. I will see you guys again on Tuesday. Till then, happy cooking!